This video is going to be the third video solving probability exam questions from past paper. The first question: if A and B be two events, suppose that the probability that neither event occurs is 3 over 8. So the probability of none or neither is equal to 3 over 8 given. What is the probability that at least one of the events occur? At least one of the event means the probability of A or B is asked. Remember, the probability of A or B plus the probability of none, it has to be 1. This is a total probability. This is at least. At least means either of the two. So we are looking for this one, and the probability of the none is given to you. So the probability of A or B or neither, I mean either of the two, probability of either of the two means at least 1, which is equal to 1 minus the probability of none or neither, which is 1 minus the probability of neither is given 3 over 8, which is equal to 1 is the same as 8 over 8 minus 3 over 8. We can make it in this way, and then it's going to be 5 over 8. So the answer will be B. A private college has 1000 students. 60% of the students are males, and 45% of these students pay the payment by credit card, including 175 females. Okay, 60% males, which is the same as 600, obviously 40% will be female, which will be 400, and 45% of the students pay the payment by credit card. 45% means it is the same as 450. These are credit card, but out of this 450, 175 female, which is paid with credit card. What is the probability that the student is a male or credit card user? So what we are looking for here is the probability of the male or the probability of female which are using credit card, because when we say credit card, it is specifically for the girls or for the females. Therefore, the probability of the male is 600 over 1000 getting a male, which is 0.6, and the probability of the female using credit card, because it is probability of the male or those who are using credit card, means credit card users, but females, because the male which are using credit card already counted here under the male already. So we need to focus the probability of the female which are using credit card. They are 175 out of 1000, which is 0.175. Therefore, the probability of the male or female credit card will add them, 0.6 plus 0.175. That's going to be 0.775. So the answer will be D. The next one: let A is equal to the set 1, 2, 3 until 7, and B is equal to 7, 8, 9, and the set C is 8, 9, 10. If one of the numbers is deleted randomly from each of the sets, what is the probability that all of the 3 deleted numbers are even or multiples of 3? Probability of even, from A we have 3 even numbers, so 3 out of 7, and probability of even from the B is 1 over 3, and the probability of even from the third one from the C, this is from A, and this is from B, this is from C, which is 2 over 3, because this happened at the same time. What is the probability being even for all? This will be 6 over 90 63, you can multiply the denominator, because 7 times 3 times 3 9, 9 times 7 will be 63. And the probability of being multiples of 3, from the first multiples of 3 are 3 and 6, so we have 2 chance again, 2 over 7 times the probability being multiple of 3 in the second one, which is 1 chance we have, because just only number 9 is a multiple of 3, so 1 over 3 multiplied. In the last also it's just 1 over 3, so this is going to be 2 over 63. Therefore we are asked to find what is the probability of either, means we're going to add it, it's or, so probability of even or multiple of 3 will be 6 over 63 plus 2 over 63, which is 8 over 63. This is the probability. The numbers deleted is either even numbers or multiple of 3. The even case will be investigated once together, it's like one event, and the multiples of 3 also the same, so that we need to multiply, then finally we will add. Next one, if there are 2 children in a family, what is the probability that there is at least one girl in the family? At least one means there might be one girl and one boy, or 2 girls. So one girl case, just half chance we have, plus at least one, this is one probability. And the other probability to be 2 girl, in the first it has 1 chance, I mean half chance. Again, being a girl or a boy, always it's half chance, so both of them will be girl. Okay, girl. Here just to be a girl is half chance, like one girl only. Since it says at least one girl, we have to consider 2 girls also, it's okay. At least one means 1 and above, it's okay, like greater than or equal to 1. Therefore in the first case, just only one girl will be half chance, plus the second case, to be 2 girls, how many chance we have? It has half, like you have to multiply. The first girl to be girl is 1 over 2, and I mean the first baby to be girl is 1 over 2, again the second, so when you multiply it will be 1/4. So when you add it, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4, it's going to be you can multiply by 2 to make the denominator, then it's going to be 3 over 4. So the probability at least to be one girl is 3 over 4. Next question, suppose 2500 items are produced by machine and 2% of the product are randomly selected and tested. The total number of the product is 2500 and the tested one is 2%. This one is tested. We need to know this in number, so that 2 over 100 must be multiplied with 2500. We can cut the 2 0, and that's going to be 50. 50 are tested one. The actual number of the tested one is these 50. Then if 5 of the items are defect, that means 5 defected means obviously 45 will be non-defect. 45 out of 50, and 5 out of 50 defected, and 45 are normal. So what is the probability that an item produced by a machine has no defect? The probability of no defect will be, the no defect is 45, just out of 50. We need to multiply by 100% to get it in percentage. So by 51, this by 52, and 2 times 45 will be 90%. When you change this one into decimal, it's going to be 0.90. So the answer will be C. The last one, Fatima can solve 90% of the problems given in a book. The probability of Fatima is 90%, or 0.9. And the probability of Mesvin, it is 70%, or 0.7. What is the probability that at least one of them will solve? That means the probability of Fatima union Mesvin. This is the same as probability of Fatima plus probability of Mesvin minus probability of Fatima intersection Mesvin. How to get this one? Since it is independent probability, probability of Fatima and Mesvin will be the probability of Fatima times probability of Misfin. It's independent probability, they are doing it independently. So which is when we multiply the two, it will be 0.63. Therefore the probability at least one of them will solve means the union, either of the two. This means or. Mathematically union means or. So that's going to be 0.9 plus 0.7 plus 0.63 minus, I mean the last one must be subtracted. So when you add the two, it's going to be 1.6 minus 0.63. when you subtract, this will be 0. 10 minus 3, 7, and this is 5, again 15, so it will be 9. The probability will be 0.97, so that is C. These are some of selected problems in probability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and share. I'll be back with other topics. Thank you.